Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove bloatware and disable ads on the POCO X8 Pro Max. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and open up settings. Now let's go over to apps and get rid of the bloatware. We're gonna go here, and now we want to find apps that we did not download on our device, like Block Blast. We do not need it. Let's click uninstall. Block Puzzle Guardian, I've never heard of this game, and we can do that for every single app that we do not want, that is just a bloatware. So for example, Dust Settle, I've never touched this game in my life. The same goes for, let's say, LinkedIn. Since I do not need it, then I can just delete it. As you guys can see, this is how it works. You just uninstall every single app that you want to get rid of, or the app that's basically making your phone laggy. So we're gonna disable all of those apps, and some of the apps actually cannot be deleted even though they are a bloatware. So what you guys want to do, for example, let's take the POCO Community. Although you can uninstall it, I'll show you how to do that for the apps that you cannot uninstall. What you guys want to do is simply go over and disable them. So what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and go to, let me show you the other permissions. Make sure that you disable everything right here, and now make sure to enable pause activity if unused. Now make sure that there are no permissions allowed. And that's basically it. In some of the apps, you can also force stop this app. So, for example, let's take the Spotify. Here you can force stop it. And that's what you guys can do with some of the bloatware apps that you cannot delete. Now, what you guys want to do next is go over into the privacy right here. And now we're gonna go to ads. We cannot remove every single ad, but we're gonna make them better. We're gonna swipe down and we're gonna go to ads. Now we're gonna go to ads privacy, and we wanna make sure that everything here is disabled, so that is turned off. Also, we can delete our advertising ID right here, and we don't need to get a new one. And that's basically what you guys can do. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.